Active Learning of Indian Number Systems, proudly present by YouTube channel at Bidir Kalai Winmin. Please subscribe the channel, comment and share the video. Objectives. At the end of the session, the students will be able to understand the expanded form of Indian number systems, identify the Indian currency notes, and fill the denomination table provided. Attention teachers, the entire activities should be completed within 50 minutes of class duration. So I request teachers who are going to implement this kind of active learning should prepare session plan well in advance. At the end, please collect the feedback form from your students. Now the teacher is going to give the problem to the students and giving solutions to the students. The problem statement: write the general expanded form of a three-digit number ABC. Three-digit number ABC according to the Indian number systems. If the value of ABC is 855, write the new expanded form. Solution to the problem: ABC can be written as A times 100 plus B times 10 plus C times 1. It is a general expanded form. A is in the hundreds place, B is in the tens place, C is in the ones place. So we have written the general expanded form of ABC. Now the value of ABC is given in the problem as 855. So the new expanded form of 855 is 855 is equal to 8 times 100 plus 5 times 10 plus 5 times 1. After explaining the problem and the solution, now the activity begins. The students will now be divided into 3 or 4 groups. Each group is provided with the dummy currency notes of required denominations and the denomination table to be filled by each group. At the end of the session, each group will be evaluated by other group. Finally, the teacher will declare the winning group. Key responsibilities of the teacher in the classroom. The teacher should monitor the teacher should monitor students very closely and ensure the discipline of the students, and the students should not disrupt other classes at any cost. Make sure every group and every student is participating in the activity. It is very, very important. This is active learning, so every group and every student is participating in this activity. I'll be explaining this point later. because I cannot explain right now. Moving on to the next slide. Example 1. Denomination of currency notes. Here, 8 numbers of 100 rupees note, 5 numbers of 10 rupees, 1 number of 5 rupees coin. So it can be written in the expanded form. 8 numbers of rupees 100 plus 5 numbers of rupees 10 plus 1 number of 5 rupees coin gives rupees 855. Moving on to the next slide. Denomination table. Before filling up the denomination table, here are the instructions. The key purpose of giving denomination table to the students, the key purpose of giving denomination table to the students is to know how to fill the denomination table of the bank challan for an amount of rupees 855. Let us assume rupees 855 is the cost of an application form. Now, coming to the table, denomination table. In this example number 1, we don't have the 1000 rupees note. So, we can strike it out. Also, we don't have 500 rupees note and 200 rupees note we don't have. 50 rupees note we don't have. We have 8 numbers of 100 rupees note. 8 times 100 we get 800. 5 numbers of 10 rupees note gives 50. 1 number of 5 rupees coin gives 5. Putting all together the total we get rupees 855. This is how the student is filling up the denomination table of a bank challan. Moving on to the next example. Example 2. Denomination of currency notes. Here 500 rupees note, 1 number, 1 number of 200 rupees, 1 number of 100 rupees, 1 number of 50 rupees, 1 number of 5 rupees coin. Now 1 times rupees 500 plus 1 time rupees 200 plus 1 time rupees 100 plus 1 time rupees 50 plus 1 time 5 rupees coin gives total amount rupees 855. Now the students are going to fill the denomination table for example number 2. Here too we don't have the 1000 rupees note and we don't have 10 rupees note, and we have 1 number of 500 rupees note. 1 times 500 we get 500. 1 note of 200 rupees, so 1 time 200 we get 200. 1 number of 100 rupees note, 1 into 100 we get 100. 1 number of 50 rupees note, 50. 1 number of 5 rupees coin we get Summing up all together, we get total in rupees 855. Now, the teacher can give any number of denomination as given in the example number 1 and example number 2. The teacher can supply the currency of notes to the students, but while they are doing the while they are filling up the denomination table, the teacher has to visit every group, whether they are participating, every student, the teacher has to monitor whether they are actively participating in the activity. The teacher should not allow the student to be idle or the group to be idle. All the time, the teacher has to closely monitor and help them to motivate so that they can able to complete the activity. Recap: at the end of the activity, the at the end, the teacher shall question the students to make sure every student understood the Indian number systems. Once it is completed, now the teacher can now the teacher shall present a small gift to the winning group so that they get motivated, they feel they are appreciated by the teacher. This is how the active learning happens. I hope this video is very interesting to you, and the teacher will be remembered by the students forever for conducting such a wonderful active learning. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment and share the video. See you next video. Thank you one and all.